Good morning and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Web Chat. I am your host, Carl Lewis, and our special guest today is again our friends at Achieve IT. They're going to be talking to us today about industry solutions. And just like last week, Daryl Goodman is back with us. Before we turn everything over to Daryl and take a look at these offerings from Achieve IT, let me go through just a few announcements with you. Just to let you know, as you probably already know, Business One version 9.1 is in general release, but the new news about that is that patch level 05 has arrived. As you probably know, I'm never a great proponent of the first patch, which was patch level 4 in general release, and typically believe that the second patch, patch level 5 in this case, has many early bug fixes and additions that are beneficial. So I'm actually now ready to throw my hat in the ring and say that as far as Vision 33 is concerned, 9.1 is now in general release. So you should be talking about that one very soon. Also, just to let you know, as I mentioned last week, our 2015 Vision 33 events calendar has been published and is available on that Total Care Customer Resources SharePoint site. I'll show you quickly, how you can find out what's going on in 2015. So the calendar is here. Here we are on the 11th of the month, and this week's Wednesday Web Chat is with Achieve IT, and it is Industry Solutions. So you can always see, relative to the Wednesday Web Chats, what the upcoming topics are. I do my best to keep all of those up to date, and they're pre-scheduled now for about 6 months or so. Also, starting in the month of March, our Crystal Reports schedule for classes all around North America is placed in this calendar. So you will be able to see when the classes are being held and in what region. And if you notice, the Crystal Reports classes are all on Wednesdays and Thursdays. We're now adding a third day, and the topic of that third day is mastering queries in SAP Business One. So this is going to be sort of a beginner's SQL class and teach you all about how to manage queries in SAP Business One, how to use them in Excel, how to use them in Business One, how to use them in SQL Management Studio, how to use them in Crystal Reports. So a lot of little tips and tricks, a good number of hands-on exercises, and it's an optional third day. If you've taken the Crystal Report